Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna talk about intense cramping on your period, what causes it, and how to alleviate it. So let's get started. Period pain is the worst. And unless you are a female and you have experienced it firsthand, this can range anywhere from just feeling like the need to lay down, to needing to call out sick, to literally being bedridden and unable to physically move to the point that you actually feel like you need to be hospitalized. And it is no joke. Period pain is no walk in the park. And believe it or not, intense cramping during your period is actually due to the temporary deprivation of oxygen to your uterus. And a lot of people don't realize that because your body releases a chemical called prostaglandins. Now, these prostaglandins cause the uterus to contract as well as relax. And this mechanism is what causes your body to shed the uterine lining and to have your menstrual cycle. In order to manage and mitigate this, you have to acknowledge that this intense surge in the prostaglandins causes that temporary deprivation of oxygen to the uterus. And that specifically, that temporary deprivation of oxygen, that's what causes those sharp pains. So in order to alleviate that and address that, one of the best things I would encourage you guys to start supplementing with is indole 3-carbinol. It's also called IC3. I talk about this supplement a lot, but it has a lot of benefits. There are scientific studies that have proven that IC3 does lower the release of prostaglandins. So the intense, sharp pains will be lessened as a result. Other things that you can do to calm that pain, obviously heat is going to be very helpful and effective. Cutting back on the caffeine, going a little bit higher on the fiber, and during your period, when you're actually menstruating, you don't want to be doing very intense exercise. It's okay to just do walking or even very, very light lifting, but you don't have to be pushing yourself for PRs for those couple days when you're extremely uncomfortable. So again, it varies person to person, but I would love for you guys to comment below the severity of your cycle in the comments section, because I know it varies so much and I would love to hear your firsthand experiences, what you do to alleviate it, and if you've ever considered indole 3-carbinol supplementation to help specifically with that intense period pain. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll chat with you guys in the comments section.